So we're set up now. We set the window cleaner, we've closed the pump off to the pressure washer, and we've opened this up. So what we're going to do is then introduce the pole system with the brush on. We've then got a switch to turn the pole on, set at 99, so it's going to go through the hose reel now. So what we've done is put the lead hose of the hose reel onto the tank here system. What we're able to do is clean down with pure water via the system, so it's all running through and we're connected up. Now we can slow that down and speed it up just by turning and controlling. And that's the system for washing the windows down.